A few facts about Peter Rabbit. First, author-illustrator Beatrix Potter really did have a rabbit named Peter, whose first name she borrowed for her beloved character. He was a Belgian buck rabbit named Peter Piper, who Potter said liked to lie in front of the fire like a cat and often took walks on a leash. Potter originally wrote about Peter Rabbit in 1893 to entertain the child of a friend who was ill. The letter contained much of the original story of Peter Rabbit, complete with first drafts of illustrations that later made it into the book. Initially, 6 publishers rejected the story, so in December 1901, she self-published The Tale of Peter Rabbit. The 250 copies sold out in a few months, and she ordered a reprint. Soon after, the story was picked up by a publisher, and within a year, it had already gone into its 6th printing. Peter Rabbit went on to become the first licensed children's book character, starting with a stuffed animal version of Peter. It was followed by Peter Rabbit games, figurines, wallpaper, blankets, and tea sets, helping to make Peter Rabbit one of the biggest literature-based licensing properties of its day. Finally, around the time of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Walt Disney approached Potter about making an animated version of The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Potter refused. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full lesson on how to draw Peter Rabbit and hundreds of other lessons.